Welcome to the lecture number 10, examples on vector identities. So first we see example, show that f is equal to u cross v is solenoidal if vector u and v are irrotational. Now what is given to us? Given that u bar and v bar are irrotational. What is the meaning of irrotational? Irrotational means its curl equal to 0. So del cross u bar is equal to 0 and del cross v bar is equal to 0. This is given to us. Now what we want to show? To show that f bar is solenoidal. Now what is the meaning of solenoidal? Solenoidal means del dot f is equal to 0. This we want to show. So we consider this left hand side. Consider LHS. LHS is equal to del dot f. Del dot f, but f is given as u cross v. So del dot u cross v. What is the formula for del dot u cross v? It is del dot u cross v, it is equal to v dot del cross u minus u dot del cross v. This is the formula we have already seen in previous lecture. It is second vector multiplied by cross product of del with u bar minus first vector multiplied by dot product of del with v bar. Now what is given? Del dot u bar and del dot v bar, it is equal to 0. So v dot del dot u bar 0 minus u dot del dot v bar is equal to 0. So it is equal to 0. So what it represent? Del dot f, it is equal to 0 means what? F is solenoidal. F is solenoidal. Now next example is del square of f of r is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 by r f dash of r. Now see how to prove this result. Del square of f of r. We know that a dot a, it is equal to a square. So del square can be written as del dot del. Same result we are using, del square, it is equal to del dot del. So same thing we are going to write here. Del square is nothing but del dot del. You can operate this f of r over any del function. So del dot del of f of r. Now what is del of f of r? Del dot del of f of r, it is equal to, again we have one standard result, del of f of r is equal to f dash of r multiplied by vector r divided by r. So use same standard result, it is f dash of r multiplied by vector r divided by r. Now it is del dot. Can we write this same function as f dash of r by r multiplied by vector r? Now see why we have multiplied, in this is not dot product. Why we have written like this? Because f dash of r is a scalar quantity, r is a scalar quantity, but this r vector is a vector quantity. So scalar I have combined in one term and multiplied by vector term. So f dash of r divided by r is scalar multiplied by vector. Now is it in the form of del dot phi multiplied by u? Yes, because phi is our f dash of r by r and u is our vector r. So what is the formula for del of del dot phi into u? It is equal to del phi into dot product with u. So del phi means f dash of r divided by r. Dot product of this with u vector, which is r vector, plus 5 is f dash of r divided by r multiplied by del dot r. Now again, del dot r is a standard result. We know del dot r is equal to 3. So this is equal to del of f dash of r by r. Now this is scalar quantity. Only thing we have to find out its derivative. So derivative of any u by v, two functions u by v, it is we use quotient rule or u by v rule. So use same thing here. It is r denominator into derivative of numerator. Numerator derivative is del of f dash of r minus numerator into derivative of denominator, that is del r, divided by denominator square, that is r square. Dot product of this with r bar, plus f dash of r divided by r, and we know that del dot r value is 3. So this is 3. So it is equal to r multiplied by del of f of r, f dash of r. So again we use same result. Del of f of r is f dash of r into r by r. So what is f dash of r? It is f double dash of r into vector r by r. So we use it f double dash of r multiplied by vector r divided by r minus f dash of r, and again del of r. Del of r, it is equal to vector r divided by r. We have already seen this result, as well as del dot r, it is equal to 3, that also we have seen. So it is vector r by r, this is also vector r by r divided by r square, this whole bracket multiplied by vector r, plus 3 times f dash of r divided by r. So this is equal to this is here in numerator r by r is common term, so we can take it outside. In numerator remaining is r into f double dash of r minus f dash of r divided by r square, and from numerator we have taken common term, which is r divided by r. This is dot product. So dot product with r vector, plus 3 times f dash of r divided by r. So this is equal to r into f double dash of r minus f dash of r as it is, divided by r square multiplied by r dot r. R dot r is nothing but r square divided by r. R square divided by r, plus 3 times f dash of r divided by r. Now r square will get cancelled, and remaining is divide this r over this numerator. So r divided by r, it is f double dash of r minus f dash of r divided by r plus 3 f dash of r divided by r. Now both the terms are same, only there is a change in coefficient. So minus 1 by r plus 3 by r, it is 3 minus 1, 2 divided by r. So this is f double dash of r plus 2 by r f dash of r. So what we get result, del square of f of r is equal to f double dash of r plus 2 by r f dash of r. Thank you.